This is day 3 of our road trip to Colorado Springs. We go back to the amazing dog park and then we go check out Garden of the Gods. So keep watching and you'll see today's adventures.
I love this dog park. Freaking outstanding.
Yay! So horny!
Girl, honey.
Hey, Joji! We are at the Garden of the Gods. We decided to come a little bit later in the evening. We're hoping we can walk around and then catch the sunset. We just finished watching the sunset. We're gonna make our way back down and back to the car before it gets too dark. And tomorrow, get back on the road, back home. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. See you later. Bye.